Hi friends, I'm Aleen Khan and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Bangalore-style Bhindi ka salan, or it is called as Bhendi ka Khatta Salan. I hope you love this video recipe of mine, so keep watching. To start with, I have to prepare a curry base, and into a mixer jar I've added 3 ripe tomatoes, a handful of freshly chopped coconut, 5 dry red chilies, 2 onions, a large piece of ginger, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Here I've added it along with the skin. You can peel them and also add. Then goes in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoonful of sambar masala powder. Do add it as it enhances the taste and color of the gravy. Then goes in few coriander leaves, a teaspoonful of thick tamarind pulp, half cup of water to grind it. Now blend this until it turns smooth. Do add water if required. Now a curry base is ready. Let me show how smooth the texture is. If you taste this, it exactly tastes like the red chutney that you serve along with dosa or idli. Now keep this aside until required. Next, here I have cleaned, washed and cut 12 to 15 pieces of bhindi, which are very tender. I've cut them into large pieces. Whenever you make curry with bhindi, make sure you cut them into bigger pieces. Here I've heated a vessel, and when hot, I'm adding oil. In this dish, extra oil goes in, so do add it as per your preference. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a small pinch of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 crushed cloves of garlic. Allow the garlic to fry well. Then add in 1 thinly sliced onion, a sprig of curry leaves, roughly chopped 2 green chilies. Now cook till the onion turns soft in texture. Once the onion turns soft, I'm going to add the cut bhindi. Now on high flame, make sure to fry the bhindi well for 3 minutes. By doing this, the edges of the bhindi would be locked and would not release any slime. Also would give a nice crispy crunch to the bhindi and would help in cooking the bhindi at least to 90% before we add the masala. After 3 minutes, let me show you how well the bhindi is cooked. When pressed, it is soft but needs a little more of cooking, which would cook later when we add the masala and cook this in the gravy. I'm going to fry this for some more time, or maybe for 30 more seconds, until I see the edges turn a little golden brown. Now the edges have turned a little golden brown. Add the ground masala. Then immediately I'm going to rinse the jar with a cup of water and add it to the vessel, adding 2 more cups of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. This gravy tastes well when it is of thin consistency. Check for salt and add if required. I'm adding a pinch of garam masala. Do add it as it enhances the flavor. Giving it a good stir to dissolve the salt, and then I'm going to allow it to get a boil. Now you can see the gravy has begun to get a boil. Give it a stir. Once stirred well, time to cook this, hence covering the vessel with a lid and cooking this on low flame for around 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, I have increased the flame to high, and you can see the gravy is boiling well. And if you notice it very carefully, you can see the oil released at the sides, which means the masala is cooked well. Now you can turn off the flame and serve it immediately, or simmer for another 2 minutes on high flame and then serve it. Let me also show you how well the bhindi is cooked once again. At this stage, you can see when pressed, the bhindi looks more mushy. So this is done and I'm going to turn off the heat and serve it. Bhendi ka Khatta Salan goes well with plain rice and even with ragi mudde or ragi ball and with rotis. I hope you found this video very helpful. Do not forget to like, share and leave a comment. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.